Okay. Step your game up then. Step your game up then. Alright. This is giving me very much Olympian. You know, they just be having their hair real chill, real laid back. It be something slight, something simple, not too flashy. I just got finished doing a back handspring. You feel me? I don't got time to be having all that hair in my head. Not too crazy, but I'm still killing it. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for being here today. It's your girl, Chelly Fontae. And if it's your first time here, you can go ahead and like and subscribe right now. You ain't gotta get cute. Keep the negativity to yourself. If you a first timer, if you a subscriber, that's different. But if you just got here, sit down, just watch and learn. Anyways, I got me another headband wig from, this time, ALIPEARL. I didn't think this through because this shirt is not gonna match with none of the headbands I got on, that I'm gonna put on rather, but it might coordinate. So first and foremost, I like to give all honor. No, first and foremost, I want to say this wig is, you know, and I done got enough wigs by now to know, like, I'm not about to lie to y'all, okay? Because I done got enough wigs sent to me at this point that it ain't no need to lie. You ain't got to lie, Craig. You ain't got to lie. Every wig that is under 16 inches, under 18 inches, I passes it off to the mother. But this right here, this is soft AF. This feels like silk. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It is really, really pretty. I wanna get the water bottle and start spritzing it. I wish I had one that was a little longer. Now you see, now that I'm starting to poop it out, it's doing that thing that I don't like, giving me clown. But look at this side, still down. You feel me? Still just chilling. Obviously, you already know what I'm probably gonna do with this wig, and that is put it up in a pony. But this is so freaking soft. This wig is soft AF, like for real. And it's very pretty. All right, so as y'all know, this is a headband wig, so this video is about to be mad quick. I'm not about to have to read no specs, but I will show y'all what they sent me. And I'm leaving it just like this. I'll fix this in a second. This is so soft. I can't stop running my fingers through this. And this is curls and my fingers is going right through. Now, when it poofed out like that, I don't like that, but look, it's still super soft. Ooh, yes. Okay. All right. Do something with this. Here we go. We're gonna put it in a ponytail until I'm ready to bring it back down and spritz it with the water. Ooh. Okay, so let's get into what they send you with the wig. That's kind of cute, the back down like that. Obviously, you get this little bag right here. Okay, they sent me several headbands, and I'm about to show y'all. Okay. I don't know if this is one of the things that you're supposed to wrap around your head for your edges, or if this is like, they want me to use this as like a hair wrap. I don't know. But they send you 3 headbands. And I might be mistaken, but I believe this is under $100. It's some really nice hair. It feels really good. It's super soft. I'm sorry about this raggedy ponytail. Hold on, let me try to fix this. Okay, so I only have it like this until I'm done showing y'all what I'm showing y'all, and then we're going to do something a little different. Like I said, you get the little bag and it comes with 3 headbands. Cheetah. I don't like cheetah, but it's all good. That's probably the one I'm gonna put on. This red one. That's all you get in the bag. I have like a dark green one, so I'm probably gonna put that on. But anyways, I'm gonna put all the details about this wig in the description box. Okay, now I'm taking the wig back down, and I'm about to attempt to style the wig before trying on those headbands. I have a water bottle here. I'm wetting the hair. I'm scared. I also have some mousse. I don't want to get no water on my face. Not that I done ever lied to y'all before, but I really like this. I wish it could have been a little longer. Y'all ain't have to do me like that. Now I'm trying some mousse. About to put it in here, and I gotta fill it. This is about to go off. Gotta fill in. Ali is about to go off, and I hit it with the okay. I know y'all like, finally, about time you done showed us something that you done did on camera. And as I'm pulling this, guys, the wig is still staying in place, and I don't even have the clips secured. Just goes to show you what it's like. That is beautiful. Beautiful. This is really nice. I need to get them on the phone. I need to get them on the line because they need to send me another one with a little bit more length to it. I'm now wetting this side, and y'all seen what it looked like when it was poofed out, and how it looked like it wasn't even. It was giving me curly bob vibes, and nobody likes a curly bob. Not a single soul. Nobody likes. You know, it was giving me curly bob vibes because it was like poofy. But now, honey, I might have to go ahead and get one of these with my real money. And I ain't purchased a human hair wig in a long time. But I might have to go ahead and bite the bullet. I'm be like, you know, I feel like I'll be able to do a better detailed review if y'all would send me this, and I can get a better idea. Y'all just go ahead and send this to me in 22 inches, really like 26. Like I said, I ain't lying to y'all. If you don't like this, I don't know what to tell you, because I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't put her on the right and the left, but what I am gonna do is put on some of these headbands that they gave me so y'all can see what it looked like with an actual headband. So I'm gonna put the one on that matches the least first. That would be the cheetah print. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I might have a different shirt on in my thumbnail because these headbands don't match with nothing. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, it obviously don't match, but it's giving it a little bit more spice. I really like this. Can I get this in long? Can I get it in long? This is so pretty. Thank you, ALIPEARL. Thank you. This is how you do a short curly wig. This is how you do it right here. This is how it gets done. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice. I know I'm not gassing because I repeat, I do not like short hair. But this right here is very pretty. I'm not even gonna lie. Last but not least, this one. This is comfortable. This it right here. Look at this hair. I need it to be 28 inches long. I need that. The other thing that they gave me is this, but I don't know what this is. Those are the headbands. I'm gonna put my own headband on because it's green and I just want it to match for the remainder of the video. It's giving me track meat. All right. First things first, let's try the half up, half down thing I was doing. Y'all get the idea. I messed it up a little bit, but y'all get the idea. I think that's kind of cute. Let's try all of it. This is obviously super cute, like this as well. Now, this camera is not doing this wig no justice, but you could also put it around, then boom, bun it. The back is very short, so you have to put some pins or something in it. But honestly, I think out of all the wigs I've done as far as putting them up, this one you really do not have to put it up. I be putting them up because they're so short and I feel like they don't look right down. But this one you really do not have to put it up. You can put it up because of course it's going to be cute. It's going to look natural, but you really don't have to put it up. It's clear that it doesn't want to stay up because it's like when you put it up, it just drop down. Look at that with a little frizz on it. Come on, Jesus. Come on in the room. I could really be here all day talking about this wig. Y'all seen what I did. I put the little mousse, I put the little water. That worked wonders. And yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this. I do have a coupon code listed below in the description box. As I'm talking, I'm going to give y'all the idea of what it would look like from side to side because I do have to wrap this up. But obviously this is what it would look like. To the left is giving me very much 80s realness and Dominican realness. The hair is soft, the hair is beautiful, the hair is great. Now let's flip it to the other side. Honestly, I'm not even gonna recommend y'all put this in a ponytail. Y'all would not be doing this hair no justice. But yeah, this is so freaking cute. I like that, that natural frizz is doing it for me. It really is. From 1 to 5, I'm gonna go ahead and give this wig a, y'all see just how flowy this is? I don't know what you call it. What is it, body? I'm just not ready to let her go. Let's try a low pony. Yes, very natural with the low pony. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give Miss ALIPEARL's half wig a 5. 1 to 5, she's getting a 5, aka a 10. You already know where she been. All right, don't play. So yeah, she's getting a 5. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all go ahead and get this. Y'all into the human hair because she is popping. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All the details, every single detail, everything you want to know, the coupon code, the website, the link, all of that is going to be in the description box. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, that's like, comment, and subscribe. If you do all 3, make sure you go ahead and share me out. Make sure you put on your notification bell so you know exactly when I post the video. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Chelly.Fontae. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys. See you later. Bye.